Full access zero cost. Here is how to claim FastVPN Pro through an official offer. If you are looking for VPN to improve your online privacy and security, this video is for you. I'll show you how to get FastVPN Pro free using official offer.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Just search on Google FastVPN and this is the website. Here you can see fastvpn.com. Scroll down or you can simply go to pricing page. Here you can see 1 year plan and monthly plan and try 30 days free. Click on it. And FastVPN is powered by namechip.com. Here you can see. Now this is a sign in page. We need to first sign up our account. Click on this sign up button, then type here your name. Use your email address, Hotmail or Gmail, Outlook or any email address. Select a strong password, then click on this sign up. Now we need to verify human captcha. Then click on this complete button. Here you can see unlimited 30 days trial ends July 21. So scroll down, click on add payment method and choose first one, add new credit card. Now here you can see we need to add our credit card detail and address. Here you can see I use USA address and my card. So after add card detail, scroll down and click on this confirm payment. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Now here you can see thank you for your subscription, and you can use this VPN namechip VPN in your Android phone, Windows, iOS, Mac, Chrome browser or Android TV, Fire TV, Apple TV. Here you can see you can simply download it from here. Now let's visit our profile page to show you subscription page. Click on this dashboard, then click on this app and here you can see my app FastVPN and click on this subscription. And here you can see VPN Unlimited, my username, trial, and trial end on 21 July 2026. So if you are still watching this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐿 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.